For my 4-week independent project, I wanted to learn how to film with a drone. So for 4 weeks, I decided that week one I would watch videos on how the camera works and practice flying with Vision Tech's drone because that would be the one I was using. Second week, I would use the camera on the drone, figure out how that works, and actually try it a little bit. And then third and fourth week both, I would just fly and just get shots I wanted. First week, I ended up actually running a little behind, but then second week I had it a little faster, so I already had it in the air second week and flying and taking shots. So that was good. So I'll show you all the different settings I used. There's quite a few. The three that I liked are active track, sport mode, and tripod, which I'll show them all. There's also just a basic mode that I used a lot just to get regular shots. So active track, it selects, you can select a person or an object, and it just follows them. So like this, it circles around with focus on one thing. Sport mode, this is like, it films faster, like it speeds up the drone. It isn't great for filming because sometimes it gets the blades in. Like here I go pretty fast, but when I turn you can kind of see the blades and it's very choppy, so you don't really film very much with that. And tripod mode, that just kind of slows everything down so you hopefully get a cleaner shot. It's like this, it's really slowed, especially compared to the sport mode. So yeah. So learning how to do this was pretty easy because of how the drone worked. You just had to hook up your phone and get this app, turn on the drone and controller that you hook up your phone to, and then it's just connected. You press a button in the corner, swipe, and then it takes off for you. And because I already knew the basics of drone flying, it made it quite a bit easier. I really enjoyed working with this project. One of the things that didn't work out too well is that many of my shots were very bright during the day. You can set on the drone the brightness that it takes the videos in, but I did not change that very much while I was working. I didn't change much of the settings, which I could have. If I had more time, I would have liked to try all the different light settings and things like that. And also, many of the shots are just in my house, so if I would have had more time, I would have liked to go to different cool places and film. I got a few shots at Coronado Heights that I liked, but like this dusk, so that was cool. And then this one I like. Tried to like fly up and spin, but other than that, there wasn't a whole lot of cool things to look at, I guess. So but otherwise, the drone worked really well and made my project a lot easier. So yeah.